Hi, my name's Kate, and I just want to share how Septic fixed my septic tank. So the summer, I noticed that around our septic tank, there was a lot of water that didn't smell nice at all. It was hot, so it hasn't rained in a while, and there was just no reason for the water to be there. And also, when I flushed the toilet, I saw bubbles coming up, and since my husband was out of town for 2 weeks because of his job, I panicked, and I immediately called the plumbers. So they came, they pumped the septic tank, but they gave me the bad news that they think that my septic tank was clogged. So they gave me 3 alternatives. Since the first 2 involved digging around the septic tank and destroying my beautiful yard, not to mention the fact that the estimate was over 10 grand for each, I ended up choosing the third option, Septic, which are these 1-inch tablets that contain live bacteria. They release oxygen, and the plumbers told me that they would dissolve all the clogs. Since I wanted 100% sure that they would actually unclog my septic tank, as soon as I received them, I flushed the whole box of the 6 tablets. And after just 2 days, the smell was gone. And after around 10 more days, I noticed that all the water that was around the septic area was gone. And it's been 4 months since then. And now I only flush one of these tablets down the toilet each month. And that is it. Just a few weeks ago, my husband actually called the plumbers to have them check the septic tank, and they told him that the septic fix right here, it unclogged the system, and there's nothing we should worry about. So I'm really happy that the bacteria from these tabs here helped me solve a potentially very costly problem. So I definitely would recommend these.